Let's start. Today we will see how to find a multi-timeframe inside bar in the TradingView Pine script. An inside bar is that bar whose entire body is enclosed within the previous bar. In technical terms, the high of an inside bar is lower than its previous bar's high. And the low of an inside bar is higher than its previous bar's low. Let's see the code. This is an indicator function with a name. Multi-timeframe inside bar. First, we take the higher timeframe user input. The default value is set to the weekly timeframe. Then we use the security function to calculate the higher timeframe high and low values. Here the first argument is the current stock name. The second argument is the higher timeframe. The third argument is the high and low data that we want. The bracket 1 written in front of the high and low values prevents the indicator repainting issue. The fourth and fifth arguments handle the gaps and the bar merge. Here we find the inside bar. As said earlier, if the current bar's high is lower than its previous bar's high, and if the current bar's low is higher than its previous bar's low, then that bar is an inside bar. Once the inside bar is found, we color that bar in white color. Also, we put an arrow mark below that bar for better identification. Let's add this indicator to the chart. As you can see, these white candles with arrow marks denote the inside bars. But, as you can see, these bars are not inside bars. So have we made a mistake? No. We are on the daily time frame, but the time frame we have chosen in the input is weekly, so a bar on the weekly time frame is an inside bar, not this one. This arrow marked bar just denotes that a weekly bar just before this bar is an inside bar. Let's see the proof. For help, I will mark these bars with vertical lines. Now let's close this indicator and go to the weekly time frame. As you can see, the bar just before the vertical line marked bar is an inside bar that we had captured on the daily time frame. So that's it. That's how you can find a multi-timeframe inside bar in the TradingView Pine script. Thank you.